we have a kitty named Alice, and she thinks that this doggy is her mommy. And the dog doesn't seem to care. Do you, Silky? Nope. She doesn't care.
Now the cat trying to get milk from her nipple.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is your videotaping to AFE?
I don't know yet. Maybe.
If videotaping
Looks like
to...
she's nibbling on her pee-pee.
No.
Like drinking.
She's not. She's trying to get milk from Silky's nipple. And Silky doesn't seem to care.
Yeah, it did feel good.
Alice, there's no milk.
And she purring. Now we trying to get milk.
Mm-hmm.